Hey, Stuart here with My Basic LLC. Wanted to do a hack for the A7S III concerning repair. If you have pixels in your work, there's a way to reset your sensor that could get rid of the pixels. I found this online. And what you'll do is you'll go to your menu. You'll go here. And then you'll click date, and you'll move the time 2 months ahead from where you currently are. I've moved this already, so that's why it says March, even though we're in January. And then once you've moved it, you'll click OK. Turn your camera off, and you'll hear a little sound. And then you restart your camera. And hopefully the pixels are gone. So I hope that was helpful and of benefit to you if you have the A7S III and you're getting those pixels in your work. So until next time, take care and stay safe.